Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tony Dejti with the Countryside Clinic. I have Miss Mary Ann here today with us, and she is going to share her story. So Miss Mary Ann, go ahead.
Okay, my name is Mary Ann. I've been coming for about 2 or 3 months, I guess. And my daughter convinced me to come. She said, "Mom, you don't want to have surgery in the knee. Not at all. It's laid up and therapy and all their stuff. You can't. We have to come and take care of you, et cetera, et cetera." So she said, "Try the Countryside Clinic." I said, "Okay." Came, and it's great. I can walk in, I can walk out. Well, anyway, when I started walking in, I had the same problems that I've had for like maybe about the last 5 years. I had some surgery done for taking veins out of my legs, and it just seemed I lost a lot of nerve in those knees there. So anyway, doctors have been working upon these knees, and now I can do a whole lot better with going, like, I'm not as afraid of going up on a sidewalk, on a curb. If I sit down on the floor, I can get up much easier than I ever did before. Of course, I take my dog for a walk. I don't get as tired. Let's see. No, I just feel a whole lot better. It works. It just plain works. I'm so glad that So I've got some more sessions coming up, and I'm very glad that I can do this.
Awesome. Well, we're glad to have you, and we'll check back later.
Okay.